Oh.
Stand up right on your feet. Right on your feet. Come on.
You don't have to.
No, okay.
That's just how you got on her, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You're so silly. She is a good little pony. You can get on her, baby.
Okay. Hold the rein.
You a barefoot cowboy today? No. Your daddy is riding Highlander. Now hush. You ready to go? Alright, grab the reins. Say. Alright, bumper. Bumper with your feet.
There you go.
She's going to follow tough now. She's like, there's something I can follow. Or she's going to go eat grass. Yep. She's a grass stealer.
She can be a cutting grass.
Yes, she's a good lawnmower.
Can I do it now?
Yeah, you can drive her.
There you go.
Come on, Cinderella. Come on, girl.
Will she follow you whenever you get off of it? When you let go of it, will she follow you?
Sometimes. Okay, well, hold on just a minute. He is too interested in her. Okay, Daddy, I'm not trying to video.